The BJP in charge of Meghalaya and Nagaland, Anil Antony, met with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in Shillong today. This visit, Antony's second to Shillong, focused on discussions regarding the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) and soliciting feedback from alliance partner the NPP. He assured that all feedback would be relayed to the central leadership to shape future election strategies. Antony underscored the BJP's commitment to expanding its presence in Meghalaya and maintaining a robust NDA alliance. He reiterated the party's dedication to safeguarding public interests and striving for a government that effectively serves the people.
Two of our senior party leaders had gone to many of the border areas. We are observing, and at this moment there are no unrests. So everything is we are observing. Our government will ensure that our citizen welfare will be taken care of. There is nothing to worry about. Today morning I had met our Honorable Chief Minister here. We had again discussions on the NDA, and all feedback from here will be given to the central leadership, and they will take the decisions on our electoral how we will be contesting elections in future. But we will definitely be ensuring that the party will grow here. The NDA will grow here, we will have a stable government here, and people's interests are best protected here. There are a lot of reports of minorities, especially the Hindu community, being targeted in different parts of Bangladesh. Our Honorable Prime Minister himself had noticed that while he was congratulating the new interim Prime Minister there. The central government will definitely be looking into the matter very seriously. But at this moment, everything else is too early it is not a place for me to comment at this moment. So our government, right now both the states have NDA governments also. And right now all our borders are closely monitored. Any attempts to create instability here definitely will be prevented. But it is too early to comment on all this. We are just observing, and enough action is being taken by the central government and the Home Ministry.
But do you think that
this is not the time to speak about this?
This is the time when Bangladesh is happening.
This press conference is about the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign.
But this is something when Bangladesh is happening.
The people who are responsible for handling these organizations, all departments, are giving statements at regular intervals. Please follow that. Our Home Minister and our Prime Minister has commented on the situation. Please follow that. And they will ensure that citizens' safety in this country will be our top priority. We will ensure that there will be no instability here. We will ensure that all our citizen welfare is taken care of. But I am not the person I am the Prabhari of the state. I am looking at the organizational issues of the Bharatiya Janata Party here. So these questions are not meant to be addressed to me. So this is not the appropriate occasion to speak about this.
Anil Antony stated that the central government is closely monitoring international borders and will prevent any attempts to destabilize the northeastern region. Addressing media in Shillong today, he emphasized the BJP's vigilance and commitment to stability in Meghalaya and Nagaland, noting that it is too early for definitive conclusions. Antony also responded to concerns from Mohammed Yunus about potential regional impacts, assuring that the centre is observing the situation and prepared to address any issues.
So our government, right now both the states have NDA governments also. And right now all our borders are closely monitored. Any attempts to create instability here definitely will be prevented. But it is too early to comment on all this. We are just observing, and enough action is being taken by the central government and the Home Ministry. All departments are giving statements at regular intervals. Please follow that. Our Home Minister and our Prime Minister has commented on the situation. Please follow that. And they will ensure that citizens' safety in this country will be our top priority. We will ensure that there will be no instability here. We will ensure that all our citizen welfare is taken care of.
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs. UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.